Annie here, and I'm going to share with you the proper way to clean all of your paint tools after a full day of painting. Let's start with drop cloths. Pick it up from each corner and bring it to the center of the room to avoid any paint getting on the floor. Once the drop cloth is folded up, store in a dry place for next time. When you're ready to store paint, take each open can of paint and clean the rim with a wet rag. Then take that rag and place it over the can before you hammer the lid on. The rag will prevent paint from splattering all over. Shur-Line makes a pour and store paint can lid. The lid seals securely onto almost any standard gallon-sized paint and withstands tilting and shaking. The flexible pour spout reduces dripping, and when pouring paint into a tray, when you're done, it's simply close the pour spout and store the leftover paint for future use. Now, on to brushes. It's best to clean them as soon as you're done painting for the day. That way the paint doesn't harden on any of the bristles. For latex paint, rinse the brush in warm water until the water runs clear. If the paint doesn't come out, clean the brush with a paint thinner and rinse thoroughly. Use small amounts of paint thinner at a time. Check the container label for the manufacturer's recommended ratio. You can also use a metal comb to comb out the bristles of the brush. This helps break apart any of the paint that may have dried. And always store your brushes flat, hanging from the handle, that way they don't lose their shape. Most roller covers can be used up to 5 times. Just like cleaning your brushes, clean your rollers the same way, with warm water until the water runs clear. And don't forget to wash the roller frame, so you're ready to use it for next time. Don't forget, click that subscribe button so you're not missing out on any paint videos. And stay tuned for another great painting project coming your way.